ECDL Advanced, Excel, Lesson 35, Creating an Outline. We're just starting Section 8, which will be 2 lessons on the topic of outlines. The first of them, creating an outline, which we're just about to start, and the second will be expanding and collapsing outline level details. Okay, let's get started on Section 35. An outline is used to hide parts of a worksheet, making it easier to see the more important areas. Different users may need to see different information or different amounts of information. An outline can show up to 8 different levels, both horizontally and vertically, with each level showing a different amount of data. The levels are displayed or hidden to show the required data. Okay, so we're starting with the workbook House. If it's not already open, please open it. You should find it in your data area. And then let's display the Data tab, which I've already got clicked. And towards the end, you'll find the Group button. If you click the drop down just underneath it, and then select Auto Outline. Excel assumes that the summary rows, that's the formulas, are at the bottom of the detail, and the summary columns are to the right. Okay, our outline has been created. It has 3 row levels and 2 column levels. Notice the various buttons and bars above and to the left of the worksheet. The hide detail symbol, that's the minus sign, hides rows or columns in an outline level when clicked. So if we click the hide button next to row 15, this will hide rows 5 to 14. The show detail symbol, that's the plus sign, indicates hidden rows or columns. If we click on the plus button next to row 15, we will then be able to expand the hidden rows. Row and column level buttons indicate the number of levels in an outline. Click on them to display a specific level. The lower the number, the less detail is displayed. If we click on row level 1 and column level 1, we will now have the minimum amount of detail. If we now click on the row level 3 button and the column level 2 button, this will fully expand the outline. The row and column level bars indicate the range of data in a level. Click on them to hide the data as an alternative to using the Hide Detail button. So, if we click on the Detail level bar across the columns, this will then hide the columns B to M. Now let's expand the columns to full view using any method. So we could click on the 3 here and the 2 here to expand fully. Alternatively, what I could do is click on the plus to expand all the columns. If we wish to remove the auto outline, next to the group button there's an ungroup button. If we click the drop down just at the bottom of the ungroup button, select clear outline, and the outline has now been removed. Okay, we've now finished this lesson. Please close the workbook without saving, and next lesson, lesson 36, will deal with working with an outline. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.